In this video, we will see how to use DeepSeek API for free. For that, you have to type open router. You have to go to this site, open router site. Here you will see search model. Here you can find any model which are paid and some are free. So we will write DeepSeek R1 free model. This is a latest model created in 20 Jan. We have to access this model using API. So for getting this API, you have to click API here, create API key, and then you have to create key. The name you can give is chat key, and you have to keep this blank. Credit limit is optional. Once you create this, you copy this and save it somewhere. I will paste it here. To use it in a code, they have also provided us the demo code. Just scroll down and copy this. Open Python, OpenAI Python or Python. I will use OpenAI Python, and I have created a blank Python file here. Just paste this code, DeepSeek demo, and paste it over here. Then here, in place of API key, you just have to paste your key that you have saved. So paste your API key here. Oh, to use this code, you also need to have OpenAI downloaded, installed. So pip install OpenAI. By the time it is downloading, we will see what response we will get from this code. So the question here asked is, what is the meaning of life? So this question will be given to the DeepSeek model, and it will respond us related to meaning of the life. So we can save this, and I'm running it. It will take a few seconds to respond. No auth credential. Seems like I have pasted wrong key. I just have to paste this key. I will save it again. Run Python 5. So it has given us the answer. What it is saying is, the question, what is the meaning of life, is one of humanity's oldest and most profound inquiries. While there is no universally agreed upon answer, here are some perspectives that people have explored throughout history. So it has given us philosophical perspective, religious view, and scientific lens, personal and subjective meaning. So it has given us good length of answer, if you will say. Now I can ask anything, like I will write code related question. Give Python code to find the largest number in array. Now let's see how it responds to the Python question. It takes about 1 minute. So it has given us the answer. Let's see if it is correct. It has given, if not array, written none, and it has taken array as this, or num in array if n is equals greater than max num. So it has given us the correct response, and it has also provided us with the explanations. This approach also given us the time complexity, which is impressive. Complexity is correct as well. Now we can also test it for RAG by giving it context and asking the question from that context, so we can check that ability as well. Thank you guys.